Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add this red button here. This customized subscribe button or the branding watermark to videos. Guys, you can encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel by adding a branding watermark to your videos, often called a custom subscribe button, like this. Okay. When you add a watermark, viewers can directly subscribe to your channel if they hover over the watermark when using YouTube on a computer. So come and join me. I'll show you how to do this. And this will attract more viewers to your channel. Let's go! Guys, from your YouTube channel, so you have to sign in first and then go to YouTube Studio. So click here and then go to YouTube Studio. In the left menu of your YouTube Studio, select Settings. And then select Channel. Okay, select Channel. And then select Branding. So this is my existing video watermark or custom subscribe red button. Let's remove this. Okay, so if you don't have any existing video watermark, this is or custom subscribe button, this is how it looks like without any video watermark. So what you have to do is, guys, remember there's an image guidelines. So images must be square with a minimum of 150 by 150 pixels and less than 1 MB in size. So guys, from any search engine, search for a free subscribe button for branding. Okay, so these are all the free subscribe button for branding. Remember, you need a square image. Let's try to use this. So save image. And let's add it here. Click this and add the image. Okay, as you can see, it's added there. And then you can display the time. You can choose here whether you want to display your customized subscribe button at the end of the video or custom start time or entire video. I recommend to click on this one, the entire video, so they can see the subscribe button on the entire of your video. And then click save. And then let's try it. Let's go to my channel. As you can see, the red customized button is there. So whenever they hover the cursor over that red subscribe button there, they can easily subscribe to your channel. I hope you enjoy watching, guys. Thank you for watching.